Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another Smart Money Sundays. Now, I understand it's Tuesday morning, but I wanted to be patient and wait till monthly candle closure before uploading for a more detailed analysis. So, first off, let's start off with the DXY. Now, we're currently at a pivotal point on the higher time frame structure. Okay, prices basically retesting this level. Okay, now if I get rid of all this for 1 second, what you'll see is price is basically broken out this low here to the left. Okay, now we're breaking out this low, so what I'm anticipating is as long as price sustains above the $100 level, okay, which is also a psychological level, I think we're going to see a rally into 102 103 region basically. So this is sort of the setup I'm basically waiting for today or tomorrow. We do have NFP on Friday, so price has been a little choppy, but it was also quarterly candle closures yesterday as well. So I'm just being patient and waiting for price to basically show its hand. Okay, best case scenario, okay, we come back one more time to the lows and we reclaim, and then we see price take off. Um, Either way, either scenario plays, I'll be looking to be long on the dollar. Okay, so let's go on to Euro USD. Right, so EU has basically taken out the previous weeks and months high. So what I'm currently looking for, right, or what we're currently seeing is price basically after taking out that high, we've just been range bound. Okay, we have potential a form of distribution in play, so expecting some sort of retest into 1.118 to look for shorts. Okay, ideally want to be looking for shorts anywhere above 115.8 region. Okay, if price looks to be rejecting this key level, okay, then you'll have a short trigger right after you start seeing rejection from this key level. Okay, so that's sort of the idea. Potentially targeting this low, first TP 1.08, second 1.1. Okay, again, being patient, waiting for the DXY to show its hand today. Now BTC, right? BTC has been a little interesting. Okay. So right now on BTC, what I'm seeing is we've basically been again range bound since March. Okay, March. Prices basically came back to 50k. Okay, surprisingly now I'm thinking about it, these two levels were exactly when I was on holiday. For some reason, I don't know why. Whenever I'm on holiday, price makes very big moves. Same thing happened last year in October, Feb. I think it was October as well. Christ. Okay. Anyway, sorry, I digress. Basically, what I'm currently looking at is because these both these points have been taken out. I'm sort of waiting for price to show me its hand in terms of high time frame structure. Okay, have liquidity here, and we also have high time frame inefficiencies below. So higher time frame wise, we are still undecided. I think we're likely going to see some sort of rejection from the 68k level. If we get it this week, I'll look for short opportunities. But on the lower time frames, which I'm focused on as of now, is where we'll basically these two levels, right? 67k region or the 59k level. Okay, if it comes into this level on the lower time frame, let me get rid of all this, make it a bit more simpler. Right, so in terms of lower time frames, what I ideally want to be looking at is a push above, some sort of distribution here, a rejection to short this back down, but we also have liquidity here. Okay, so if we are going to get a scenario where we take out this high, we could also take out this low, which I'm more favoring on the lower time frame. Currently, if you take out this low, and we reclaim this level, then I think it'll be shorts into 66 k level, where you could look for intraday opportunities. Okay, so that's sort of the main two levels. Okay, but what I'm keeping in mind of is, if we do get a big liquidation, is which something like this, a big push down, which is something I prefer, then I'll look to scale in on longs as soon as we come back on the 62k level. This is a most high probable scenario I want that I want to see play, or I want to play this week. Okay, if we don't get something like this, then ideally I'll be focused on taking shorts. Okay, if we get a rejection from this level back down into this 60k region. Okay, so these are sort of the triggers that I'm sort of looking for, okay, on BTC this week. Okay, right, so let's go on to ETH now. ETH is obviously going to be very similar, but ETH's been a lot weaker than BTC. So what we've basically seen is a retest of high time frame level, right? This is where I was longing last year, start of the year, BTC into new highs, as well as ETH and Solana. The members will remember, but currently what I'm seeing now is, because ETH's a lot weaker than BTC, I'm sort of anticipating. Hold on, let me highlight like this. Right, so if we see a rejection from this level, I want to ideally look for shorts back into. Well, ideally I want to be looking for reactions from 23.75. Okay, if we hold this level, okay, then we'll likely see a bounce. Okay, but that's only if we reject off 27.50. But I'm anticipating, if we go on the lower time frames, which will be easy to illustrate, what I'm sort of seeing is the again, similar idea to BTC, right? We have these lows here, we have a liquidity pool, price is likely going to take out those lows. If you see a reclaim, look to long into 27.50. Very simple. Okay, again, ideally what I want to see is something like this occur, and then once we come into this level, I want to mainly be focused on short, because we're on a high time frame point, and if we pivot, then we will likely see some volume on the other side of the market, and ideally I'll be looking to target 23.80. Okay, that's my key level to target. But this is the main high probable scenario that I have in mind for this week, and I do want to play. So I'm ideally looking for a quick flush today or tomorrow to look for long opportunities. If we go straight into this level, then again I want to be focused on shorts. Okay, that doesn't mean I'm blindly going to be taking executing on shorts. I'm going to be waiting for distributive price action to short. Okay, just waiting for my levels to hit, and then have a plan for triggers. All right, now let's move over to gold. Now gold has basically been in price discovery, which I mentioned months ago. But as I mentioned, is when price breaks a new high, all right, it doesn't offer, most of the time it doesn't offer any shallow pullbacks. Okay, what you'll most likely see most of the time is price just trending higher, because there is no market history. Okay, to the left, the market is determining its value. Okay, which means it's being discovered every day, every new price high. So it can very much just continue, because this is where a lot of speculation obviously drives the market forward. Okay, and brings in a lot of new money as well. So that's basically what happens when you see price discovery. So that's what we're seeing in gold on the high time frames. Okay, and if you'll notice, we haven't seen any shallow pullbacks, and I don't think we will. Okay, we've seen healthy pullbacks. Okay, so let's say, hold on, let me illustrate this. Okay, right, we have a range, price breaks the high, comes back to 50% of the range. Okay, it does it again, right? Let's do it. 50% of the range, makes new highs, comes back, and then expands. Okay, so the same idea applies here. Okay, I'm basically waiting for a pullback to look for swing longs on gold. Okay, now gold can keep pushing higher. Okay, so the easiest way to make money in a market like this is to trade with the trend. All right, so my idea here is very simple. Wait for price to come into the $2,500 region. Okay, anything below the discounted, the 50% level, I want to be looking for triggers either within this level, okay, or this level. Very, very simple. Ideally, I want to be wait till the $2,500 level gets hit. This is where I want to be uh, optimally taking longs here. But if we do get a good reaction from here today or tomorrow, I'll look for longs. Ideally, I want to wait for later in the second half of the week, but I'll be patient and wait to see what price basically has to offer. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe. I got educational content dropping this week as well. So let me know what sort of charts you want me to cover on next week's video. And with all that said and done, I'll see you soon. Bye.